Aflac has built this solar array at the Paul S. Amos campus. This campus is Aflac's largest facility. It's where most of our employees work. This solar array will lower Aflac's greenhouse gas emissions in Columbus, Georgia by more than 10%.
We've partnered with Aflac to build this 1.3 megawatt solar array as a part of Georgia Power's Customer Connected Solar program. It's not all that common that large businesses are participating in programs like this. Aflac is really on the forefront in building a large system such as this and producing their own electricity. A solar field of this size is producing enough electricity to power around 200 homes and is the equivalent of 2,000 acres of trees in terms of carbon reduction.
This system is top of the line, latest technology. That technology consists of a tracking array, which is going to track the sun from east to west throughout the day, increasing production 17 to 22%. We're also using a bifacial module, increasing production by anywhere from 7 to 10%.
Aflac has made public commitments that by 2040 we'll be carbon neutral and by 2050 we'll be net zero carbon. And this is another way of demonstrating how Aflac cares.